In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a direct download link for a file and folder on Google Drive. This process is incredibly useful for when you want to share files easily with friends, family, or colleagues without making them go through the whole preview and download exercise manually. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to start by opening Google Drive in your preferred web browser. If you're not already logged in, go ahead and enter your Google account credentials to access your drive. Once you're in, navigate through your files and folders to find the specific file or folder you want to share. This step is crucial because you need to ensure you're selecting the correct item that you intend to create a direct download link for. Next, right-click on the file or folder to open the context menu. From here, you'll want to select the option that says Get Link. A dialog box should pop up, showing you the current sharing settings for your file or folder. By default, this is typically set to restricted, meaning only people who have been directly added can access it. To create a direct download link, you'll need to change this setting so that anyone with the link has access. Click on the drop-down menu next to the current sharing setting and choose Anyone with the link. This will grant access to anyone who receives the link, so make sure you're comfortable with this level of sharing. It's an essential step in allowing the file or folder to be directly downloadable by anyone you share it with. Now that you've set the file or folder to be accessible by anyone with the link, click on the Copy Link button. This action will copy the link to your clipboard, and you'll be ready to transform it into a direct download link, which is our main goal here. Open a notepad or any text editing program of your choice and paste the copied link. You'll notice that the link ends something like /view USP sharing. For a direct download link, you'll need to replace this part with /UC sa export download. Carefully delete the existing part and type in the new segment, making sure there are no spaces or errors. Once you've made this change, copy the entire edited link. This link is now a direct download link and can be shared with anyone. When they click on it, the file or folder will instantly begin to download, bypassing the usual Drive interface. That's all it takes to create a direct download link in Google Drive. It's a simple yet effective way to streamline sharing, especially for people who need quick and easy access to your shared content. Remember, for larger files, consider your internet bandwidth and speed, as this may impact download times. I hope this guide has been helpful, and now you're ready to start sharing files in a more efficient way with Google Drive.